Hi guys, my name is Steve. Today we are talking about which share is the best buy. Is it PayPal or is it Square? Welcome to Disruptive Wealth Creation. This video is for entertainment purposes only. If you decide to take any action, please carry out your own research first. So, before we get into it, it is probably important to have some background into why we are moving towards a cashless society. There are three powerful industries that are pushing towards a cashless society. They are telecommunications, banking and retail. The government also likes a cashless society because it can devastate the black market and shadow economy and stop money laundering, cash in hand transactions and paying people off the books. It means they can track your income and collect more taxes. Mobile payments are becoming commonplace in most countries. In 2018, $1.3 billion in transactions per day were carried out in 90 countries. In China's biggest cities, 92% of people use apps like WeChat or Alipay. Payments are accepted by retailers, restaurants, street vendors and taxis. Nowadays in China, most people pay for everything using their mobile phones. If you join PayPal or Square, you carry your bank in your pocket. Your digital wallet will replace your bank branch. Why are people turning to PayPal? 4 reasons. 1 is convenience. You can have all your credit and debit cards on one PayPal account. 2, security. When paying, you do not have to disclose your card details, only your name, email address or shipping address if you are a buyer. 3rd reason is ease. You can transfer money worldwide at a touch of a button. And lastly, 4, discounts. You can get discounts from retailers who partner with PayPal. So let's have a look at the financials. If we look at the PayPal balance sheet, it shows strong growth. PayPal's cash equivalents and investments totaled $19.2 billion, and that was as of December the 31st, 2020. The key metrics show 377 million active accounts, $4.4 billion payments transactions, $277 billion total volume payment, and 40.9 payment transactions per active account. PayPal has also been innovating in 2022. They have the QR code checkout, they have the buy now pay later, they have the Venmo credit card, and they have the crypto buy, hold or sell, and they also have many other new PayPal features. If we look at PayPal shares over the last 5 years, there has been a dramatic increase in the last year. Currently the market cap is around $348 billion, and it has a good price earnings ratio of 83. Now let's have a look at Square. Who is Square? Square is a mobile payment company which markets software and hardware payment products. It was founded in 2009 by Jack Dorsey and Jim McKelvey. They found a way of making payment processing cheaper. The iPhone has a computer chip, it has a network connection, and it has a touchpad for signing. The only thing missing is the card reader. Square developed a card reader which could be plugged into a headphone jack and released it in 2010. The reader was free, but you had to pay a percentage fee on each swipe. When larger businesses started using their card reader, they developed a Square stand to replace the cash register and offered software products to manage payroll and small business loans. The small square attached to the mobile phone was okay for the single entrepreneur, but businesses like restaurants needed a better unit. Square then moved on to offering loans to existing customers who might not have got the cash from a bank or a relative. Using their artificial intelligence system, they were able to see how many transactions were made in a day, thereby offering their existing customers a bespoke repayment system. So what is the future of Square? Well, Square focuses on small businesses like restaurants and hair salons. Their revenue in retail was down in 2020 due to the pandemic, due to shutdowns and social distancing. It will be interesting to see how they go forward in 2021. They are a one-stop shop, and their Cash App is popular as it allows people to send and receive money without any physical contact. Square shares have been rising over the last 5 years, but there have been a few dips, and current market cap is $122 billion. So the question is, which should you buy, PayPal or Square? Well, both have benefited from us moving towards a cashless society, attracting young people, using internet and social distancing, making contactless transactions more popular. Is Square a good buy? Well, Square's core business is small businesses, and during the pandemic many of them were closed, some temporarily, others permanently. Square would not have generated much income from retailers. The other issue with Square is that when small businesses become big, they tend to find cheaper platforms. In 2020 the shares did rise by over 200%, but this was largely due to revenue from Bitcoin, Square being a middleman in cryptocurrency trading. Ian Bezic, in his article at Investors Place, states the company books 100% of its customer Bitcoin transactions as its own revenue, even though it obviously only gets to keep a tiny fraction of that. To put numbers to that, Square reported $1.63 billion of Bitcoin revenues in Q3, but earned a paltry gross profit of $32 million on those purported sales. After accounting for corporate overhead associated with the Bitcoin operations, Square is probably outright losing money facilitating these transactions. So what they are doing is not illegal. So long as Bitcoin continues to go up, their revenue will go up. There is an argument that Square is overpriced. Before Bitcoin, Square was trading at $60, so personally I would not invest in Square. So is PayPal a good buy? Well, PayPal is an established leader. It's been around even before the fintech was invented. It's big enough to buy out its competitors, and it has been launching a lot of new products like the Venmo credit card, the buy now pay later with interest-free options, and it has added cryptocurrency feature to its digital wallet. Personally, I think PayPal is low risk with a good return, although I would watch out for a company called Payoneer, a new kid on the block. Having said that, my guru Kathy Wood from ARK Invest has purchased both Square and PayPal. So people out there, do your own research and make your own decisions. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and if you'd like to see more content, please hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.